Yun. Nahilo ka?
Hello Townies! Andito ko ngayon sa isang obstacle park sa Pasig City para samahan ang isang Townie na sumusubok dito sa Spartan Obstacle Race. Let's go!
Hi Townies! I'm Jervin from My Town, New York.
So Jervin, tell us how you got into Spartan racing.
I started as a volunteer, tapos parang kasing masarap mag-race. And then ayun, and I actually wanted to have a good physique. Ayoko kasing laging nasa gym. Instead of going to the gym every day, then why not go to Spartan, right?
So what inspired you to do Spartan racing?
Well, I just want to push myself to the limit. Tapos yung dumi ng trail course. Tapos syempre, the bragging rights na you're a finisher of Spartan race. And you know, syempre yung medal ng Spartan. Go, Chris! Ah! Baba mo pa yung katawan mo. Hello ka doon sa taas.
Ayan.
Yan, sige, down. Push mo yung sarili mo. Yun. Go, Chris. Lean forward pa, lean forward pa.
Lean forward?
Oo. Go.
So how do you train for Spartan race?
Well, it's a mixture of running and strength exercises. Kasi sa Spartan, it's 80% na running, tapos yung obstacle course, parang 20% lang.
Pero do you do cardio more or talagang weight training talaga?
Much better if magka-cardio ka kasi it enhance your endurance sa pagtatakbo, diba? Pag nagka-cardio ako, more on running lang talaga siya.
So yung mga gusto mag-Spartan, ayan, to prepare, kailangan ay
tumakbo.
So do you follow a specific food plan or nutrition plan for
Actually, no. Kasi I'm used to OMAD. So, 1 meal a day. A day before ng race, nagka-carbo loading kami. Tapos, syempre, carbo loading, iwa-wash out mo din siya after. But still, you still have your energy for the race day.
So, no specific diet na?
Diet. Basta more protein, less carbs. Pero, the day before ng race, dapat carbo loading
Carbo loading.
Grab, and then lean backward.